Hello, my name is Victor Yulari, and I'm here to show you the exercise the class that's working with me is going to do. The tool we're going to be using today is Baamboozle, and let me show you what we are going to do. Teacher Miss Marisabel, she's helping me, and this is what she's going to do with her students. As I said, Baamboozle means we discussed this app. You said you liked it very much and you're using it. I'm really glad about it. So we're going to the library and there we have the games. So since you're talking about the calendar, I decided to do an exercise that's related to it. And over here, we're going to click on play and there you're going to choose classic. Bam. You told me you don't have a big class, so I think you can choose a team of two, will be fine, and choose the classic junior. Okay. And this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna have the questions related to the topic, and for example, team number one chooses number three. Question number three. How many weeks are there in a year? So they have to answer it, and then you can check. And the correct answer is there are 52 weeks in a year. Is that what I said? If that's the correct, you click OK, or we click oops, and then in this case it's okay. Good. So in this case, thing number two, we're gonna choose another question. Let's say they choose question number one. Number one says, how many months are there in a year? So they're gonna tell me the answer, and the answer for this exercise would be there are 12 months in a year. If that's what I said, we click OK. Or let's say they miss, we click oh, oops. Good. So when you are done doing this exercise with your class, I'm going to have the results so I can check and give the feedback. Thanks a lot for your help. I'll be seeing you soon. Hello, everybody. I'm back, Victor Yulari. And in this occasion, we are going to check the exercises and provide the feedback of the app Baamboozle, right? I want to share with you what the teacher sent me. In order to make it look better, I decided to do a PowerPoint presentation. Yep. So I'm going to describe better the results and the feedback, okay? As I said, we're going to start with Baamboozle, exercise check, and feedback. So I sent this exercise to the teacher, and this is what she sent me. Well, first of all, I already spoke about this. Baamboozle is a great app. Okay, they have the question. The students can see the question, and they can use their speech. They can do some output, speak output, and the teacher decide whether the answers are right or wrong. So this is the questions that I decided to do. The exercise I decided to do kind of a questionnaire. Remember the teacher was talking about the calendar. So that's how I got the idea. So the first questions would be how many seasons are there in a year? So they will answer the question. Complete a sentence. Saint Valentine's Day is blank February. The other question, how many months are there in a year? Fourth question, complete a sentence. Christmas is blank December 25th. How is the weather in winter? Is it hot in the summer? How many days are there in a week? Let me move myself out of here. How is the weather in spring? Good. Do we celebrate Christmas in fall? And how many weeks are there in a year? Good. So these are the questions that I sent the teacher. So she will do it with her students. Unfortunately, they don't have a good devices so that everybody can participate. So they decided to do it in the class. And as far as I know, as far as she told me, the class was divided in two groups. And this is what result. Team number one had 3 points. Team number 2 had 6 points. Now remember that team number two won. They use the bump option. The bump option is great. It makes it more exciting for teenagers because on those options you have bang. If you pick the wrong card, you get coins taken away. So they cannot like that in some way. So that's how they decided to do it. And this is how team number 2 got to win the 6 points. All right. I also have some feedback from this because for things that she told me. Let's start with the first one. On versus in. Speaking about dates. Okay, we're talking about the calendar. So this is something that the students were explaining on. We use on for a specific date, right? For example, Christmas is on December 25th. We have to give the month and the date. So when you have a specific date, we use on. In, on the other hand, is for dates that are not specific. For example, using as an example, Christmas is in December, right? It's not specific because we don't know December 1st, December 2nd, December 3rd. It's also good for birthday. For example, when's your birthday? Oh, my birthday is on March 23rd. My birthday is in August, all right? So also, for example, when do you celebrate Independence Day? United States Independence Day is on July 4th. We can say the Halloween is in October. So this is very important not to make mistakes with dates, on versus in. Another feedback that I provided is there is versus there are, right? There is and there are is we use it to explain existence of something or some things, all right? There is for singular. There is a mouse in the bedroom. There is automatically singular, one. There are for plural. There are 4 seasons in the year, right? That's basically it. And of course, this is the present tense, but we didn't get that far. We just got there is for existence for singular noun. There are is for plural of nouns. There are 4 seasons in a year. There are 12 months in a year. All right. And the next one, weather and seasons. I know most in Ecuador, they don't really have the 4 seasons. We have certain regions because region where it's always hot, it feels like it's always summer, and certain region where it's always cool, it's kind of winter. Some regions it's freezing, but it's not much of the country. So, and also our winter in Ecuador is hot. The winter in USA is cold. So we have to know the region that we're talking about. But anyway, I just wanted to make focus on this so they can understand this. Winter is cold, okay? Then the weather is freezing. Spring is warm. Warm is almost hot, not really hot, but almost hot. It's very pleasant. Summer is hot. Yeah, summer is hot. You sweat. I don't like it. And fall is cool, almost cold, not really cold, but cool, kind of with a sweater, you're okay. Yeah, this is the feedback I provided for the class. The teacher like Baamboozle. I also like Baamboozle. Students like Baamboozle. I believe it's a great app, and I'll definitely keep suggesting it to other teachers, and I will definitely use it in my future class. Thank you, and I hope you like my feedback in the exercise. Bye-bye.